Wet your wet dry sandpaper. This is 5000 grit. Wet your light. And then just do straight lines. The straight lines are easier to polish out. So once I've done the wet sanding stage, I will then polish out the markers. There you go. You don't need to put loads of pressure. Just get some nice and smooth. You'll see on that one down there the difference that can be achieved.
Yeah, that's superb. All these EP3 owners with their yellow headlights.
Yeah, that's it. Come see me. I only charge 50 quid to do a pair.
Yeah,
that's
decent.
Wet sanded, polished and sealed.
Decent.
So if you don't seal them after doing this, they'll just go yellow again within a month.
Yeah. That's like UV protection sort of thing, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Last grade is 7,000 for the last one. That's what I do before polishing. Just gets all the crud off by doing this.
Yeah, nice.
Toothpaste doesn't work as much as a lot of people tell you it will.
God's sake, Colgate ain't gonna work then.
Make it smell nice.
Yeah. Good smell, dead headlights. So what would you do after this? You'd then polish?
Yeah. So once you've done the wet sanding stage, you'll be then polishing. So
You can see that already, yeah.
You can see the difference already.
That's out when you polish as well. That's good already.
Yeah. So the polishing then just makes them nice and clear.
Yeah. Yeah, you can really see the line. Still a bit of non-clearness here, but that's because it hasn't been sanded yet. Boys, getting prepared.
Heavy cut.
Yep.
Heavy cut compound. Heavy cut pad.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it's a bit like a ceramic coating. You put it on as liquid,
Yep.
buff it off, and then it forms a hard layer and it's UV resistant.
That's smart, huh?
Yeah. It's not that expensive. About 10 quid or something
Yeah.
like that. So, yeah.
Yeah, so you wipe on it, goes hard, and then it buffs off.
Yeah, so you can tell how hard it goes because feel that cloth from where I've done it before.
Oh yeah, it's rock hard, Joe. So you mean, yeah.
And obviously it goes on as liquid form.
Yeah.
Put that on a bit that's not solid.
Ah, smart.
Here's the magic. literally just wipes on. It's liquid.
Yeah, you can see that sort of glossy look it's giving.
Yeah. Go all ways just to make sure you get good coverage. Yeah, look. If I go over that bit that's yellow, you see it makes it look better.
Yeah. That's nice, mate. It really enhances that as well now.
Yeah. Just gives it a glossy finish and just gives it a bit of protection, like.
Yeah, that's sweet.
So you let that set for 5 minutes, then buff it with a microfiber, and that's it. They're protected.
Perfect. That was amazing. Thanks for that video, man. Oh wow.
Just back it up a minute.
Gorgeous, man.